All right, get ready for your mind to be blown. We have, Bleach Splash is my favorite Judy Blues. The boyfriend jeans, absolutely love them. We have Bleach Splash in a skinny jean, okay? So this is a mid-rise. It comes almost just to my belly button. They are skinny jean, and I have them cuffed because I'm short and cuffing is in style. But they are a little bit long for me. So if you're tall, that's great for you. If you're short, cuffing is in style. If you're tall, cuffing is in style. So either way. Okay, so it has the same little bleach splash splatters up here. And then it has the distressing here at the knee. And just a little bit of distressing here on the back. So they're super, super stretchy. The Bleach Splash are my absolute favorite. I feel like they have the most stretch and are the most comfortable, which says a lot because all the Judy Blues are very comfortable. If you are generally not a skinny jean person, I usually like a boyfriend fit. In a skinny jean, I like when they are distressed on the knees because I carry my weight here, and sometimes if I bend my knee in a jean that's not distressed, it tends to pull down in the back. So I love distressing at the knees because it releases that tension, and my jeans do not pull down in the back. So, but that is just the shape of my body. So if you have not tried skinny jeans, then this may be the answer if you tend to have that problem as well. And they're true to Judy Blue size. Go with your normal Judy Blue size. I generally wear a 9 in Judy Blues. That's what these are. I wear a 10 in regular pants, so go down 1 from your regular pant size. You will love these, I promise.